Hi, in this video we'll take a look at Talon-Type's locking fuel caps for the Freightliner and Sterling truck models. These fuel caps only fit Freightliner and Sterling trucks with push and turn caps and feature an anti-drill stinger locking mechanism. The locks are made of thick quality aluminum and include an easy to install adapter for the filler neck. We also offer the locks with a chrome finish. With a simple finger press lock, the cap rotates freely when the lock is engaged. Talon-Type locking fuel caps are theft, siphon, and vandalism proof. Pick yours up today at EasyTruckStore.com, and thank you for watching.